to let you go. To let you go. This time is the last. This time is the last. This is from his last CD, right?
Yep.
This is his last CD, right? This ain't me. And the last time taking the last. I'm ready to let you go. I'm ready to let you go. I'm ready to let you go. This time the last. This time the last. Katrina. Wow. Stop taking the ride. I'm ready to let you go. I'm ready to let you go. I'm ready to let you go. Do you want to fold up your blanket and put it on there? People are just walking on it now.
Michigan in the motherfucking house tonight. Oh yeah.
It's like throwing.
There's a round in the house tonight. No. Fight about that later. We all unite under one machine gun gunning flag tonight.
People are like walking all over it.
My little brother Rook, man, a fucking beast on the drums. My boy used to sit in that lawn. My boy used to sit in that lawn up there. Larry, tell your story. Tell them what you used to do up there, dog.
Well, so first off, every concert, big concert, all my favorite bands, everybody I've ever seen in my life that I love to see, I've watched here, but I've always watched from out there because we